Bangladesh is the second largest exporter of ready-made garments in the world, after China. This garment industry is associated with the garments accessories industry. Index Accessories Ltd is a prominent name in Bangladesh's RMG sector. They have been operating with a solid reputation in the accessories industry for 2 decades. Index Accessories is the globalized brand integrity and trusted partner of Bangladesh, India, England, Thailand. Our promises include German technology and employee expertise. The printing section use high-tech technology from Germany and Japan. Our passion lies in novelty, and we strive to make upgrades that are in line with market standards. Index has its own healthcare facilities. It provides primary treatment in the event of medical emergencies. Index conduct CSR programs among employees every year. Index Accessories Ltd has taken various measures to ensure that workers are better protected, which is a major concern in the RMG sector. Our promise is to deliver quality, and our capable team is a valuable asset. To ensure customer satisfaction, Index employees are skilled, patient, and artistic. Bangladesh's economy is being impacted by Index Accessories Ltd's growing physical capital and skilled human resources. Index Accessories Ltd will reach new heights through this method. Index Accessories Poly Factory, which is operated by modern machineries and skilled workers, with extended of several qualities, including biodegradable and compostable packaging. Index Accessories Ltd has a gaming zone for its employees. We have a strong belief in unity, team building, and teamwork.